In this guide, I'm going to show you how to get the Aura Sprite in Fortnite. Intro. Now first things first, you need to start a battle royale or a zero build match, and you need to search around the island while opening up chests and looking for sprite spawns. Now, of course, this Aura Sprite can appear as regular loot, so you could just keep searching, of course, until you do find one, and it's not really in a specific location. The best thing to do is just follow the best sprite route, and you can essentially just start at Chop Shop, make your way over to Battlewoods, Lifty Lodge, and of course, Lat, all the way over to, of course, a Walkie Land at the very end, and you're going to have to probably stay in zone a lot in order to follow that path. But essentially, as long as you do that, you'll be good to go. Just search for sprites like normal, and eventually you'll find it out of a percentage, and then you can take it to an extraction zone or use a portable extractor, and then of course you can summon it in future matches using Sprite Dust, which will of course give you the Shock Rock charge after you deal enough damage to enemies. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.